Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wix to Hotjar for UX feedback loops, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Wix to Hotjar for UX feedback loops, start by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to your site's dashboard. Locate and select the settings option. Scroll down until you find Tracking and Analytics. Click on Tracking and Analytics. In the top right corner, look for the New Tool button and click it. From the drop-down menu, choose Custom. A new configuration window will open. In the name field, enter a recognizable name for this tool. Now, switch to your Hotjar account in a new tab. Log in to your Hotjar account. Once inside, navigate to the Sites section. Locate your website and click on it. Look for the tracking code option. You will see a unique JavaScript snippet provided by Hotjar. Copy this tracking code to your clipboard. Return to your Wix dashboard. In the Hotjar tracking configuration window, paste the code into the Paste the Code snippet here field. Toggle the Add to Head option to ensure it's properly placed within your site's head section. Make sure that the Load this code on drop-down menu is set to all pages. Once everything is configured, click the Apply button to save the settings. Now, go back to your Hotjar account. In the Hotjar dashboard, navigate to the Feedback section. Here, you can set up your feedback tools like surveys or polls. Choose which feedback tool you wish to implement and follow the setup instructions provided by Hotjar. Return to Wix and finalize your site settings as needed. After saving, check your site to ensure the Hotjar script is functioning correctly. You can verify this by navigating back to Hotjar and checking the status of your tracking. Your Hotjar setup on Wix is now complete, and you are ready to start collecting UX feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.